Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about DeFi projects that you can actually invest into. So DeFi projects are actually booming at the moment. I bought these DeFi projects based on like technical analysis. I don't know much about them. So let's get into why I bought the tokens. So far you can check like the DeFi spaces. I bought DeFi projects at this resistance because they were about to pass this a huge resistance here. And so currently they're having a rejection here. So waiting for this to pump. Once it pumps up, the DeFi projects are actually going to do well this coming bull run. So they actually going to perform. They're going to perform. So this is this chart is looking at all DeFi projects. So if we get into like the projects, most of the projects have like a market cap of 500 billion. Um, let me go to the ones at the top. So most of these projects are sitting at 4 million, 6 million, 6 billion, some of them like 500 billion and stuff. So I've been looking for one that's like low cap, but it's actually doing well and it's good. So I found one which is also under the Solana ecosystem, and Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain, and it's undervalued, sitting at 154 million market cap, which can easily get to the 500s, like the other ones that are actually performing really very well. So yeah, and I actually didn't do much research on the project, but I bought this based on technical analysis as well, because looking at the chart, I was like, okay, let me check the charts. Uh, this already pumped a bit, and then I bought in at this like resistance, because like you can clearly see that people are actually holding onto the token here and not selling, and a lot of sellers are not stepping in, which is good. And the red line here, it's where a danger zone is for me. If it dips below the red line, then the technical analysis didn't go according to plan. So so far I'm waiting for this token to actually move up, but I'm waiting for, when it moves, there's gonna be some consolidation here, and then go up again, consolidation. Where you see the green lines, that's where I'm expecting a consolidation, unless a huge market sentiment changes. Like for example, if I see a rejection like this, a huge candle, a fucking huge candle, like yeah, that shows that the market sentiment has changed and people are actually stepping in to sell. So that's when I'd sell and wait for the market sentiment to change again for to be bullish. So Ramp is actually doing well, and the other one that I'm actually looking at today, I bought Ramp. So Mdex, which is also doing some good, similar to ramp, but like this one pumped hugely. Yeah. So once something pumps like this, a strong rejection is healthy consolidation. So yeah, I'm expecting this consolidation. If it dips below, then this is a buy-in zone for me. You can still buy in, but I'm just waiting to see how it's gonna play out. If it's gonna be a long term, is it gonna consolidate here for a long time or what? But I'm interested to see what this, where it closes, and then where the next candle will be closing as well. So that's the one thing I'm waiting for. But the nice thing is the upsides are too it's nice. Like the red line, it's based on previous like all-time support, like this long red line, which to me seems like this is the bottom of this token. This is actually the bottom, and if it dips below, then it's bearish. Like you need to dump this coin. But to me, it's like, okay, now I can still buy in and go up. The potential upsides for this, it's for me, if it touches the red line, it's actually like 80%. The green line, it's 80%. But if it goes to all-time highs, that's like 2x, close to 200%, which is actually good. So this one, I'm gonna look into it because I saw the volume of this token was actually huge. Comparing to its market cap, the volume is huge. Like it's sitting at 400 million, the volume, and the market cap, it's sitting at 627. So I'm still waiting for how that will play out, but it's actually looking very, very bullish. And one thing I like, that's why I bought this one, because the market cap is actually low. Even though the tokenomics are not good, I'm not planning to hold this for a long term, which is very important. I'm just holding it for like a few months to see what's gonna happen with the DeFi space, because it's about to boom. So yeah, those are the two DeFi projects I wanted to talk about. The other ones are have pumped, and this one also have pumped. I want to buy it, Radium, which is Ray. I want to buy it. It's based. It's gonna be on. It's on Solana. So I love Solana, which is actually gonna be doing well this year. Solana might be on the top 10 very, very soon. You guys need to look into that. And the other token that I bought is Cake. Cake, it's about to do something special. Like Cake, the Binance Smart Chain is about to release. They're going to release every token that's on the Ethereum Smart Chain to the BEP20, which is actually bullish, because you find tokens that like all the tokens that are on the Ethereum blockchain, they're gonna convert them, they're gonna make the BEP20 versions of those tokens, which is actually good and very, very bullish for Pancakeswap. And I think it's gonna get there. Once they do that, it's gonna pass Uniswap like crazy, because so far the number of transactions that happen on Pancakeswap, they're way higher. They're even like higher than Uniswap and SushiSwap combined. So this is actually doing well. It's very, very bullish. You can buy into this token no matter where it's at right now. I think this one doesn't need technical analysis. You just have to be patient. This is gonna be the biggest DeFi project. Yeah. And thank you for watching this video, and I wish you good luck on your trading series.